Hello, girls. How are you today? I'm Miss Trini from Kinder A, and today I brought some new vocabulary words about celebrations. A celebration is when people gather together to celebrate and be happy about something, for example, Christmas or a birthday. Today I brought vocabulary words about a specific celebration, birthdays. Now I am going to introduce the vocabulary words. I'm going to say the word once, and then I am going to count up to three, like this. 1, 2, 3, and you're going to say the word with me. Ready? Let's go. Birthday. 1, 2, 3. Birthday. Presents. 1, 2, 3. Presents. Birthday cake. 1, 2, 3. Birthday cake. Balloons. 1, 2, 3. Balloons. Birthday party. 1, 2, 3. Birthday party. Decoration. 1, 2, 3. Decoration. Candles. 1, 2, 3. Candles. Okay, girls, those were the vocabulary words. Remember, girls, this. Who is he? Wally! Hello, Wally! He's gone! Do you see him now? Is there anywhere? Wally! Where's Wally? There, Wally! He's gone again. Where is Wally now? Do you see him? Wally! There he is, Wally! Oh no, he's gone again. Let's call him so he appears. Wally! Louder. Wally! There he is. Hello, Wally. How are you? Remember, girls, this week we're playing Looking for Wally. Remember saying the whole phrase, Wally is behind the candles, for example, or Wally is behind the birthday cake. Okay? So say the whole phrase so you practice your English. Also, include the vocabulary words that you have already learned. Living room, garden, police officer, school, hospital, supermarket, nurse. Include also these vocabulary words when playing Looking for Wally so you don't forget these vocabulary words that you have already learned. Okay? Okay. Bye bye. A big kiss for everybody.